Hey YouTubers, this is Rob Moffat. I'm remaking this video. I made it the other day and a video was playing in the background and it had some content that wasn't owned by me, so I'm having to make this over. Sorry about that. This video is about audio on YouTube. I was having some problem. I wasn't getting any audio or sound on my videos and it just about drove me crazy. Usually when I check my audio, I go down to my computer and I check the icon, make sure it's working, and this is how I've always used and operated my sound. I didn't have a problem. It was on, so I didn't know what to do. So the first thing I did is I went to another site that plays video to see if I could hear audio on it. So I went to Vimeo and I played a video and I got sound fine. So my sound card was working good. So I started checking the forums, and some of the people on the forum said what you need to do is change your browser. They said if you download Chrome instead of Internet Explorer, that usually will fix your problem if you're having a sound problem. But the reason they gave is they said Chrome uses the latest version of Adobe Flash. So I said instead of downloading Chrome, let's see what my latest version of Flash is. So what I did is I went to Adobe, and if you go to adobe.com software, right here in the middle of the page, it'll give you the latest version you have installed on your computer. Then you can go down here and see what operating system you have and see if it matches, and it does. I'm using 117, and 117 is installed, and that's the latest one. So I have a good browser, I have the latest version of Flash, and my sound card is working. So I was thinking, what's going on here? And like I said, I checked my sound, and it was working fine on my computer. So I did some more research, and I feel like a dummy because I went back and looked on the forums, and people reminded me that you need to check the little box on your YouTube video. If you look here, you see this X. I've never used the sound operating system here on the video. I always use my computer. It was clicked. If you see an X here on your video, I can hear people unsubscribing at this moment. They realize how stupid I was. I'm sorry, guys, but evidently there's other people who've done this too. So, but if you click this, now you have sound. So, but if you're unlucky and you have unclicked this and you still don't get sound, and you also have unclicked your sound from your computer, and your sound card is good on your computer, you might want to look into changing your browser or making sure you've installed the latest Flash. Those look like the top 3 reasons you're not getting sound on your YouTube video. Hope this tip helps, and I add more videos every week, guys. And thanks for watching, and come back and see more. Thanks, everybody.